Okay, let's just say it. Getting fired at 81 felt like the rug got pulled out from under me. I know because it really happened to me. And if it's about to happen to you, maybe not at 81, but if you're about to lose your job or if you've already lost your job, I want to share something with you. You're not too old to start and you're not too late. So stick with me for the next several minutes because I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I promise you it's not the end of your story. Like I said, it wasn't the end of my story. And you know what? It's not the end of your story. So here's a little bit about me. I'm Paula, and I worked until I was 81 years old. And just like that, I was let go. Did I have an inkling? Yeah, I did. Let's be honest, because they were laying everybody off. But I really thought after 10 years they'd keep me, but they didn't. It was just like that. No fanfare, no, nothing. Just let go over the phone. I was done. And I thought, what am I going to do? It did sting. There's no question about it. It did. It was, if you've ever been fired, and this is not the first time, I've been fired once before, it just kind of takes the wind out of your sails. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And I thought to myself, who's going to hire an 81-year-old? Nobody. And I think there's people out there, even in their 60s, who feel the same way. Who's going to hire a 60-year-old? Even though we have a wealth of knowledge to share with the world, in the corporate setting, they don't want us. You know, that thought sat with me for quite a while. I won't lie to you when I say I did bounce back, but did I bounce back in a week? No, it took a little bit longer. And then I decided I just wasn't going to take this lying down. I wasn't going to take living on my savings and my retirement plan and my Social Security because I just knew it wasn't going to be enough. So here I am. I'm now 82 years old and I'm building something completely new. And I want to be honest with you. Am I making tons of money yet? No, not yet. I am earning, but tons of money? No. I'm building this channel in real time, right in front of you guys, mistakes and all. So now, if any part of my story sounds familiar to you, you're not alone. Maybe you're still working. Many people are well past retirement age or about to get to retirement age, and they're panicking because they know they really can't afford to retire. It's not because you want to, but retirement plans and Social Security and savings and the world we live in today, it just doesn't stretch far enough. Not if you want to live your retirement and have a good time. It just doesn't. So if you're staring down that question, wow, what comes next? What do I do? Maybe the thought of learning something new terrifies you, especially anything to do with technology or computers or YouTube channels. It might make your stomach drop a little bit. Making videos absolutely terrified me. I have to tell you, I was petrified. I did it, but I was petrified. You know, I have felt every single one of these things myself in the pit of my stomach. And here's what you need to hear. None of these feelings mean that you're too old, that you don't know technology, that you can't do this. You've got decades of experience. If you are between 60 and 80, you've worked a long time and you've got a lot of experience that people actually want. And nobody, I mean, nobody can take that away from you. Nobody. So I'm going to share with you what I decided to do because I knew in my heart of hearts, because believe me, I don't have any technology bones in this body. I mean, I have learned some since I started, but when I started, I didn't know how to do anything. And I knew I wanted to do something online. And I knew I wanted to do something with digital because I knew that that was the way of the future. I didn't want to deal with physical products. I didn't want to deal with print on demand. I literally wanted something that I could deliver to an inbox without any physical products. So what I decided to do, and I didn't reinvent myself overnight, and you won't have to either. I picked one path and I'm building an online income step by step with digital products, not digital products that I created myself. Instead, I'm building with what's called master resale rights. Now, don't let that term scare you off. In plain English, it means that I'm not building anything, which I really love. The minute I found that out, I went, yes, I found something for me, because I knew I couldn't build anything, not at that stage in the game. I'm not designing a course. Actually, I'm not designing anything. I'm not writing an ebook for nothing. I'm not building a website by myself. Now, to be transparent, because I've been doing this for a while, yes, I have built an ebook. Yes, I have built funnels, but I didn't start there. Okay, I started with this plan, and this is still my main business, the master resale rights. And it gives you a website, it gives you the done for you products, and it gives you the thing that I personally needed the very most. It gives you training. So I want to share with you a little bit about what this channel is. I want to make sure you understand what my YouTube channel is all about. It's Thrive After 60 is for you if any of things that I'm talking about sounds like you, and it sounds like your life right now. This isn't a highlighted reel where I show up already successful and I'm making millions of dollars. Yes, there are people out there that are doing that, but that's not what I've done yet. I will in time, and so will you. But this channel is to teach you how to get there. This is a real thing. The wins, the flops, the days I don't feel like doing this. And believe me, there are days that I just do not want to do this. But then I pull myself up because I know that doing this is what is going to help me build my business, and it's going to help you build your business as well. And if you have the right training, it's pretty straightforward. It's like paint my numbers. What I am is someone who is 82 years old, who got knocked down and decided to get up again and to build something new, not from scratch, but to build something new, to build a channel, to start delivering videos. If that's the kind of honesty that you're looking for, you are in the right place, my friends. And I've got a lot more to share with you. The journey keeps going. So here's what I ask. Hit the bell and the subscribe button and don't miss what happens next. And if you want a free, no pressure community, the link is down below. It's called the Second Act Income Community. That's my community. If you want to learn how to promote online, how to resell master resale rights, that's my Paula Daily Pay, and that link is in the list below as well. So again, I'm Paula with Paula Daily Pay. If this video resonates with you, please hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. They're all the same. They're all about teaching people our age from 60 to 80. And of course, if you're younger, it doesn't matter, but that's basically my target audience, how to build a business online. Again, I'm Paula from Paula Daily Pay. I'll see you in the next one, and please subscribe and hit the bell.